Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the associative arrays section. This is assigned by value or by reference. There are two ways to assign one variable to another. By value, this creates two variables which hold copies of the same value but remain independent entities. By reference, this creates two variable names, aliases, which point to the same space in memory. They cannot be modified separately. This remains true when dealing with array variables. Here we have favorites is assigned this associative array with key food, value pizza, key person, value myself, key dog, value tadpole. Here we have a variable copy and it's assigned favorites. Here we have variable alias and it's assigned by reference favorites. Here we have favorites, key food is assigned new. When we echo favorites, key food, it prints new. If we echo our copy with key food, it prints pizza still. If we echo alias, key food, it will also print new. So the copy didn't change, but the alias, who we assigned by reference, was updated when we updated our favorites variable. When passing arrays into functions, both built-in functions and those we write ourselves will want to be conscious of whether the arrays are being passed by value or by reference. Here we have function change color, takes in R. In the code block, we do R, key color is assigned red. Outside of our function, we have object, which is assigned this associative array with key shape, value square, key size, value small, key color, value green. We do change color and pass in our object. If we echo object color, it prints green. Our function above doesn't accept its array argument by reference. Therefore, R is merely assigned a copy of the argument's value. This copy array is changed when the function is invoked, but that doesn't affect the original argument array object. To do that, we'd need to pass it by reference. Here is an example of that. Function really change color. We pass by reference R. We then are able to do R, key color, assigned red. And then out here we have our object, which temporarily has color green. When we really change color and pass in object and we echo object color, it should print red since we did assign by reference. Cool, let's write some array functions. Our instructions say create a function, create meme, that takes in a meme array and returns a new custom meme about PHP. The meme array will have the following keys: top text, bottom text, image, and description. The function should change the value of top text to much PHP and the bottom text to very programming. Wow, the function should not permanently alter its argument. Let's do that here. Let's run that. And we do pass. 2 says create a variable, PHP dodge, and assign as its value the result of invoking your create meme with dodge meme. Note, we recommend using print R function to see the array you're creating and using, but it's not required. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass, and we do see our array is printed out here. 3 says write a function, fix meme, that takes in a meme array and permanently changes the top text and bottom text to strings of your choosing. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass. 4 says invoke your fix meme function with the bad meme array we provided. Let's do that here. And let's put it here just to see before. Let's run that. We do pass. And we do get our arrays printed out here. So what we're learning here is how to assign by value or by reference. We learned that there's two ways to assign one variable to another. One is by value, and this creates two variables which hold copies but remain independent. Then we have pass by reference, which creates two variable names or aliases which point to the same space in memory. They cannot be modified separately. As long as you're understanding that, you're understanding assign by value or by reference in associative arrays in PHP. And I'll see you in the next lesson.